Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can invest into IPOs on Trading 212 in 2026. So first of all, you need to simply open your Trading 212 application and then you need to simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, use the search bar here in the middle, and over here you need to look for the company that's going public. For example, if a company like Stripe or any other upcoming IPO is available, you are going to see its IPO page inside the application. You can also search for it first, and after searching for it, when you are able to find it over here, you can just scroll down a bit in order to see the feed information, and inside the feed information or over here on this particular page, you will find its IPO information if it is available. So before pre-orders open, it may simply show you the announcement with the information like executed listing date and an indicative price range. Once the Trading 212 enables pre-listing orders, the buy order will going to basically appear. So tap on the option of buy, then you need to read and accept the IPO's risk notice if it is your first IPO investment. Afterwards, you need to choose either the market value order if you are happy to buy at the opening market price, or you can also set the limit order by tapping on the option of limit order over here if you don't want to pay more than a specific price. Now you need to simply enter the amount that you want to invest, review carefully, and then tap on the option of confirm or review order and tap on the option of confirm. So your order won't execute immediately because the stock isn't publicly trading yet. Once the company officially lists on the exchange, the opening price is determined during the market opening auction, and then the order is sent for the execution. Just keep in mind that Trading 212 does not provide the IPO allocations at the official IPO offering price. Instead, you are buying when the public trading begins, so the execution price may be higher or lower than the estimated range shown earlier. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.